parking spot here. So welcome to the channel. It's Tesla DMV. Alright, we're gonna give it a little nudge here, saying go ahead. Hope everyone watching this is having a great day. This is gonna be Tesla DMV FSD beta challenges in inner neighborhoods.
Now turn left onto South Monroe Street.
So just got out of Jummah prayer here, and it's super busy. They actually use like a house over here on Nelson Street, which is pretty cool. FSD wanting to kind of go there. Ooh, almost stopped in the middle too. That wasn't great. Definitely could have improved on that. Go ahead and send some feedback on that turn. Alright, so we got ourselves a one-way street here. Cars parked on both sides. Yeah, so we're following traffic here, but yeah, doing a good job about getting around the obstacles like the trash cans in the cars. Good thing I got this truck in front of me, big bus thing. Makes it a lot easier because
turn right onto South Walter Reed Drive.
He's already making way for me. But yeah, so just wanted to show you guys some examples of inside the neighborhood, residential, busy intersections, one-way streets,
right South Walter Reed Drive.
Stop signs. Here we go with a stop sign, so we're looking to make a right here. We should come to an auto creep, so that way we can see when our turn is exactly. And I have to say, FSD does a really good job, autopilot does a good job of knowing stop signs, when it's your turn, kind of who got there first. So it does a really good job at that. So because this is not like a four-way stop sign, this is just a stop sign, let's see how it acts for the cars coming towards us. So interesting. So we had a car coming in the lane, but it actually took the right and got out of the lane so it wouldn't be in its way.
In 500 feet, bear left onto South Glebe Road.
But nonetheless, it timed it correctly. It went ahead and executed the turn flawlessly. So yeah, not bad. Quick update, you know, just wanted to give you guys kind of a glimpse of how FSD is performing with updates, because we're getting basically monthly updates based on all the feedback that all the beta testers are sending back to Tesla. I guess they then review it, try to code in software to fix the bugs or whatever, and then they push out a new software version for us to download. So that's a great thing about having, you know, a computer as a car, basically, is it's always getting better. Kind of like your iPhone or Android or even a Windows or a Mac. You know, just because you have a piece of hardware doesn't mean that, you know, that company can't push, you know, an over-the-air software through the internet and basically improve your operating system. Happens all the time. Alright, so we're making a left. Ooh, look at that. We switched lanes during the left turn. Probably not the best move there. But nonetheless, made the left turn pretty great. Now we're on Glebe Road, so for any of the locals who know this area pretty well, I feel really confident on Glebe Road and some of the major or bigger roads, I guess you could say, compared to some of the inside roads. So yeah. Alright, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse. Thank you again for watching. Hope everyone watching this has a great day. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, thumbs up, and subscribe for more FSD content, Tesla content. Go ahead and drop a comment for any requests. I'll be taking requests on videos, you know, anything in the DMV area, kind of more closer around DC. So yeah, just let me know, and yeah, I'll try to put that up for you guys as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.